Let us define context-free grammar for the sentence wish you a happy and prosperous new year. We all know that context-free grammar is a formal grammar that generates set of strings and it consists of set of production rules used to replace variables with combination of other variables and terminals. So if you consider the components, first we have non-terminals, which are nothing but the symbols that can be expanded into other variables. Then the terminal. So all the words present in the sentence, they are nothing but the terminals. Then the start symbol, the symbol from which the derivation begins, which is nothing but the sentence. And the production rules. So here you can see the production rules using which we can derive the sentence. Then first a sentence, it consists of verb phrase followed by the noun phrase. Verb phrase, it produces verb. Noun phrase, it produces these three combination of production rules. So these all these things are derived as per the sentence. And we know that wish in the sentence is a verb, is a determiner, happy, prosperous, and new, they are the adjectives, and is a conjunction which is used to join or connect two adjectives. Then you is a pronoun, ear is a noun. Let us construct derivation tree using the production rules. First, sentence is broken down into verb phrase and noun phrase. And here verb phrase is producing verb. So what is verb in the sentence? Wish. Then noun phrase. So we have three production rules here. As next word in sentence is you, select the third one. So noun phrase is broken down into pronoun, determiner and noun phrase. So pronoun in the sentence is you. Determiner is a. Then noun phrase again. So as we have happy and prosperous, we need to select the second one, conjunction. So noun phrase is broken down into adjective, conjunction and noun phrase. So adjectives out of these three, next word is happy. So take the first one. So adjective is happy. Conjunction. So conjunction in the sentences and then the third noun phrase. So you can take this third production rule. That is the first one here. Adjective, adjective, noun. Sort of two adjectives left over ones. As next word is prosperous, take prosperous followed by new. And what is the leftover one? Noun. So noun in the sentence is ear. By expanding non-terminal symbols step by step, we arrive at the final sentence, wish you a happy and prosperous new year through the application of context-free grammar rules.